Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Sifat Salbiya. The negative attributes which cannot be found in Allah because they are below His dignity are called Sifat Salbiya. They are many, but like Sifat Thabuthiya, only 8 are listed generally. Sharik. The word sharik means a colleague or a partner. Allah has neither a colleague nor a partner in His divinity.
وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ.
And mention, O Muhammad, when Luqman said to his son while he was instructing him, O my son, do not associate anything with Allah. Indeed, association with Him is great injustice.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَغْفِرُ أَن يُشْرَكَ بِهِ وَيَغْفِرُ مَا دُونَ ذَلِكَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَمَن يُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ فَقَدِ افْتَرَىٰ إِثْمًا عَظِيمًا.
Indeed, Allah does not forgive association with Him, but He forgives what is less than that for whom He wills. And he who associates others with Allah has certainly fabricated a tremendous sin.
Murakkab. This word means compound or mixed. Allah is neither made nor composed of any material. He cannot be divided even in the imagination.
لم يلد ولم يولد.
He neither begets nor is born.
Makan. It means place. Allah is not confined to a place, for He has no jism, body.
وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ.
And to Allah belongs the east and the west. So wherever you might turn, there is the face of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-encompassing and knowing.
Mahalul Hawadith. This means subject to changes. Allah cannot change.
استكبارا في الأرض ومكر السيء ولا يحيق المكر السيء إلا بأهله فهل ينظرون إلا سنة الأولين فلن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا ولن تجد لسنة الله تحويلا.
Due to arrogance in the land and plotting of evil, but the evil plot does not encompass except its own people. Then do they await except the way of the former peoples? But you will never find in the way of Allah any change, and you will never find in the way of Allah any alteration.
Hulul. It means entering. Nothing enters Allah, nor does He enter anything or anybody. Therefore, the belief of incarnation in any form is abhorrent to the conception of divinity. Mari'. It means visible. Allah is not visible. He has not been seen, is not seen, and will never be seen, because He is not a body.
وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نُّؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّى نَرَى اللَّهَ جَهْرَةً فَأَخَذَتْكُمُ الصَّاعِقَةُ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنظُرُونَ.
And recall when you said, O Moses, we will never believe you until we see Allah outright. So the thunderbolt took you while you were looking on.
Ihtiyaj. It means dependence or need. Allah is not deficient in any virtue, so He does not need anything.
الله الصمد
Allah, the eternal refuge.
As-Sifat Az-Zaid. This means added attributes. The attributes of Allah are not separate from His being. For example, we say that Allah is Alim, but it does not mean that His knowledge is something separate from His existence. In fact, there has never been a time when He is less Alim and then acquired more knowledge. His knowledge, His mercy, His justice, and all His virtues and attributes are His own being. It will thus be seen that according to Islam, Allah is the name of God as perceived in the light of the above positive and negative attributes. In other words, Allah is the creator of the universe, self-existent, the source of all perfection, and free from all defects.